Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her was dead.
How would you rate your lights out of 10?
Just a 6.
I think they're pretty good. Any advice for people that want to wrap their Corsa D headlights?
Pay someone to do it.
Go to a shop, that's what you're just gonna say. But they don't look bad. We didn't really focus too much of our attention on this bit because, as you can see from the other side, Matt has the eyebrows which cover pretty much the majority of it. So we more focused on the outside bit down here, which is obviously what people would see a bit more. But Matt's a little bit annoyed because it went a lot better on one side than the other, didn't it? Yeah. And everything on this side of the car, everything on the car looks better. But on the other side of the car, it doesn't look as good, does it?
No.
But this is all for Broke Boys at the Farm, which we will be filming and vlogging. We've got a hotel the night before, so if anybody's staying at the Premier Inn in Harpool, drop a message, because we're going to try and get some footage, hopefully, if there's a lot of modified cars there before we actually go to the show. But we was going to show you how to tint them, but to be honest, it's the most boringest thing in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not fun.
Tint it, like, I don't know why you'd watch it.
I'd do it as a job, to be honest.
I just don't know why people would watch a video of tinting, like...
I wouldn't watch it.
Like, it's pretty obvious, right? We put this on, we did a lot of heating with a hairdryer, a lot of stretching, and then we cut. And then, to be honest, there's videos on YouTube, isn't there, about it, so you can watch it on there.
Like actual people who do it.
Yeah, obviously, I kind of as well didn't want to show you how to wrap it, because then you get loads of people that are professional at it, hit up your comments and they're like, you did it wrong, you should have done it like this, you should have done it like that.
Professional, like,
yeah.
They have kids with the wonky teeth again.
No matter what you do, people are always like, you should have done it like that, you should have done it like that. Well, no, we done it, it looks pretty good. Like, obviously it's not professional, it's not brilliant, but it's pretty snazzy. What are you? Oh, so we just found out Matt hasn't quite got enough 3M tape to put his eyebrow back on. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? You haven't got enough tape to put your eyebrows. I don't know where it is.
Somewhere over there.
Oh, what, your little blade? Right, so Matt tells me to pick up a knife, right, and it's this. And he leaves it in the most stupidest places and don't actually know half the time what he's talking about. Oh dear. Have you got, what's your idea?
Just space it out.
Yeah. But it's pretty mean, isn't it? So he's now deciding he's doing his fog lights yellow as well. Oh, you got me. You pre-cut it out already? Clever. Don't want the hairdryer, aren't you? This programme is not sponsored by Britney Spears. Can't even see it, it's not even focusing. It's awkward. Britney Spears hairdryer though. Yeah. It's going alright actually. Considering no heat. And this is the previous tints that you had, weren't they, Matt?
Yeah, so they've gone a bit... They're like 2 years old,
Yeah.
to be fair.
They were red with like a chameleon effect. I was gonna say the chameleon.
I think I didn't mean to order them.
Yeah.
I came and I thought, fuck it, I'll just stick with it.
Because fog lights, colour bulbs of the Corsa are quite expensive, aren't they?
Yes.
Have the lovely, exciting job of cleaning the other one while Matt does the other one. So we are just using white spirit because, as you can see, it is so just full of like the backing of the wrap. Like you can see, as I'm roughing up now, it's just like the back of a sticker basically. So that is my job for the next however long. This is our squad, and for the people that think they have a real Land Rover, 1982 Land Rover Series 3. Nothing fancy. Look at it. Proper horn.
That's what the wannabe Land Rover drivers look like.
This is a real Land Rover. It's got.
Door handle.
I can get into it, but it's. Look. This is what you call a Land Rover. Got a nice steering wheel though. Got a little cover on it, isn't
What? Yeah, he is.
Look, the most technical thing in there is the TomTom sat nav.
Oh god, yeah. He's got to know where he's going. Look at that.
That's it. This is a real car powered by rocket fuel. No, that was what I wanted to say. I just wanted to say, you know, all you people that are like, got a Land Rover, got a Land Rover, got a Land Rover. Yeah, alright. Crack on, you and your Landy. Sorry. Let's move
You done?
back. Yeah, I'm done. He's been out there for like half an hour taking pictures of his car. But my neighbour's gonna think you want to go into her house for a cup of tea. This is your new parking position, isn't it?
Oh, it's amazing.
Happy?
I'm very happy.
Good.